First time mong bibili ng kotse, ang kailangan mo, madaling i-drive, matipid, komportable, practical at safe. This is the new BYD Seal 5 DMI, a plug-in hybrid sedan powered by BYD's 5th generation Super DMI technology. And it comes from BYD, the global #1 in new energy vehicles. Pero ang tanong, bagay ba to bilang first car mo? I'm Stanley Chen, yung senpai ng Turbuhan for Suplado Motors. Like and subscribe, click the bell icon. We drive, you decide. Simulan natin sa exterior. Simple, modern at premium na datingan ng C5 DMI. Sa harap, you get LED headlights and LED daytime running lights. Ang measurements ng sasakyan na ito, 4,780 mm long, 1,837 mm wide at yung wheelbase, 2,718 mm. Maluwag para sa pamilya at barkada, pero manageable pa rin sa city. Yung gulong, 16-inch wheels. Ang ground clearance, 120 mm kapag unloaded. Kaya dahan-dahan sa matataas na humps at mga steep ramps. First car mo to, huwag mong bibigyan ng mga battle scars. Talikod, simple, malinis pero malakas ang dating. Full with LED taillight bar, may BYD logo, DMI emblem, at nandito ang Seal 5 emblem. Buksan natin para makita nyo. May lagayan dito sa likod. Maluwag. At para patunayan ko sa inyo, papasok ko sa loob. Maluwag, may spatio pa. The C5 DMI combines an electric motor, a gasoline engine, and a BYD blade battery. Electric first ito, so the electric motor handles most of the driving. The gasoline engine provides support kapag kailangan. May electric driving ka, pero may gasoline backup ka rin. The motor produces 163 horsepower and 210 Newton meters of torque. It supports Type 2 AC charging at up to 3.3 kilowatts. Charging from 15 to 100% takes approximately 2.5 hours. When combined with the gasoline engine, claim extended range is up to 1,600 kilometers. Bagay sa mga first-time car buyers na gusto subukan ng electric driving pero hindi pa ready mag-EV. Dito sa loob, leather seats or fabric seats, depende sa variant. Maluwag ang legroom, ang headroom is okay, may aircon vents, USB port, and Type-C charger. May lagayan din tayo dito. May ISOFIX din nga pala to. Ayan o. Sa harapan, digital instrument cluster, leather wrap flat bottom steering wheel, andito yung mga controls, andito yung shifter sa gilid, 8.8 infotainment screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, may automatic climate control sa aircon, andito yung cup holders, may lagayan dito, at may center console compartment dito sa ilalim, andito yung USB port. Andito yung glove box, ito yung visor. Yan. Modern pero madaling intindihin. Para sa first-time car buyer, hindi lang technology at fuel efficiency ang importante. Safety dapat ang priority. The new Seal 5 DMI comes with airbags, ABS with EBD, traction control, electronic stability control, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. May rear parking sensors at reverse camera din para mas madaling mag-park. Malaking tulong ang mga ito, especially kung bagong driver ka pa lang. Pero tandaan, driver assistance features lang ang mga to. Wala pa rin kapalit ang pagiging alert, defensive driving at paggamit ng signal light. Hindi porket may reversing camera, pwede ka nang pumikit habang umaatras. On the road, smooth, quiet at madaling i-drive ang Seal 5 DMI. Quick ang response ng electric motor from a complete stop. The 210 Nm of torque is enough for city driving and highway overtaking. Responsive pero hindi intimidating para sa first-time drivers. You get economy, normal, sport and snow driving modes. Economy para makatipid, normal for everyday driving, sport kapag gusto mo ng mas mabilis na response, snow mode naman kapag nag-snow na sa EDSA. On the highway, smooth pa rin ang power delivery while the gasoline engine supports the electric system kapag kailangan. The suspension uses MacPherson strut sa harap and a torsion beam sa likod. Comfort-oriented ang ride so bagay sa daily commute at long-distance trips. For the actual fuel consumption and real-world range, kailangan nating gamitin ito ng mas matagal pa. Yung claim figures are helpful pero real-world testing pa rin ang importante. So ano, papasa ba itong BYD Seal 5 DMI as your first car? Nako, i-comment niya dyan sa comment section, pati sa Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, kumpleto kami niyan. Mag-subscribe na kayo, click the bell icon. I'm your host, Stanley Shio, yung senpai na turubuhan. Tandaan, we drive, you decide. Bye-bye!